Interesting facts about our Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and all planets orbit around it. Many ancient cultures worshipped the Sun as a deity. A scientist and philosopher from modern-day Turkey, called Anaxagoras, was the first to suggest that the Sun is a star, around 450 BC. The Sun is 4.5 billion years old. It is a relatively young star, part of a generation known as Population 1, about halfway through its lifetime. Its distance from the Earth changes at different points during the year. Light from the Sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth. Heliophysics is the study of the bubble that surrounds the Sun and solar system called the heliosphere. Helioseismology is the study of the interior of the Sun. The Sun's gravity anchors Earth and all the other planets together in a small space called the solar system. SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, is the main satellite studying the Sun. The Sun's temperature is approximately between 5,500 and 6,000 degrees Celsius. Nuclear reactions occur within the core of the Sun, due to its temperature and pressure. The Sun produces energy that supports all life on Earth through a process known as photosynthesis. The Sun emits 3 different kinds of energy: infrared radiation, ultraviolet light, visible light. Energy is produced from the fusion of hydrogen into helium. A geomagnetic storm is a worldwide disturbance of the Earth's magnetic field as a result of solar activity. There are electric currents inside of the Sun that generate a magnetic field, which spreads throughout the solar system. A green flash is a short-lived optical illusion that sometimes occurs at sunrise or sunset, when the light from the Sun is bent towards the viewer. Earth's sky seems to be several different colors during the day due to a phenomenon known as atmospheric scattering. The Sun is actually a mixture of all colors, which appears to the eye as white. Partial solar eclipses are dangerous to the naked eye, because our pupils are not accustomed to that level of contrast in light. Visibility of the Sun's color appears darker in areas. They are called sunspots. A typical sunspot consists of a dark spot in the middle called the umbra, and a lighter region known as the penumbra. Sunspot cycles are repeated every 11 years and coincide with the occurrence of solar flares. When magnetic energy that has been building up in the Sun's atmosphere is suddenly released, it causes a rapid variation in brightness known as a solar flare. The amount of energy released during a flare is equivalent to a simultaneous explosion of millions of 100 megaton hydrogen bombs, which is only 10% of the total energy the Sun emits per second.